Welcome to the best picks. The best Grill Rotisserie Kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient grilling accessories you can add to your outdoor cooking setup, allowing you to effortlessly roast entire chickens, flavorful pork loins, and even perfectly cooked vegetables with even heat distribution and a crispy exterior, unlocking a world of culinary possibilities beyond the limitations of traditional grilling methods, making it an essential tool for both seasoned barbecue masters and enthusiastic beginners alike. Number 5. Dyna-Glo Rotisserie Kit. This kit is perfect for grilling enthusiasts who want to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. It's compatible with most gas grills, making it a versatile addition to your grilling setup. With its straightforward design, you'll have it set up and ready to use in minutes. Simply attach it to your grill and get cooking. It's designed to fit most gas grills with a firebox width up to 32 inches. Check your grill's dimensions to ensure compatibility. It offers ample space for roasting your favorite meats and vegetables. Enjoy perfectly cooked food every time. It's built to last with high-quality materials and comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. You can trust it to perform consistently. The 6-foot power cord provides ample reach to your grill's power source. No more struggling with short cords. What we like. It boasts wide compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for most gas grills. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind, and its extra-long cord offers flexible placement options. If you need a versatile and reliable rotisserie kit for various grill types, this is the one for you. What people say. It has everything needed to install it. I just received it today and in no time at all I'm cooking a juicy bird. Motor is very quiet and has plenty of cord. The rod is sturdy and looks to be chrome-coated. It works perfectly. Solid enough for 2 chickens at a time, works great. Cooked a 5-pound chicken on it and it came out great. Universal mounting brackets worked on my grill, but I wish the holding bracket was taller as the counterweight doesn't clear the outside of the grill table so I can't use it. It actually wasn't needed as the spit turned fine without it. Number 4. Onlyfire Weber Kettle Rotisserie Kit. This kit transforms your Kettle grill into a powerful rotisserie. It's perfect for even cooking of larger meats. It's designed for 22-inch Weber Kettle grills, replacing part number 2290. Please double-check your grill model before ordering. You get everything you need: a main ring, spit rod, electric motor, motor bracket, counterbalance, meat forks, and a handle. Everything is ready to assemble. The 110V motor handles up to 20 pounds. The 360-degree rotation ensures even cooking and juicy results. It's ideal for entertaining. Roast a whole chicken or other large cuts of meat for your next gathering. There's a small gap between the ring and the grill. This is normal and doesn't affect functionality. You can seal it with foil if desired. What we like. Specifically designed for Weber 22 kettle grills, it's a perfect match if you own one. Its powerful motor ensures even cooking, resulting in juicy and tender meats. With all necessary components included, you'll have everything you need to start roasting right away. If you're a Weber owner seeking a powerful and convenient rotisserie experience, this is your best bet. What people say. It fits a Weber kettle perfectly, just make sure you measure to get the right one. It gives enough height so you don't have to remove the top grate, and if you want to you still can without removing the ring. Opened it up, looked amazing, easy to put together. Got to use it on New Year's Eve, the ring fit perfectly, no gaps as some have mentioned. Motor is whisper quiet and you get a long cord, I'd guess 8. Did a 5 prime rib and had no issues at all, worked perfectly. Fits my Weber kettle grill perfectly. Comes with everything you need to get started. Very quiet and easy to clean up afterward. Number 3. Masterbuilt Gravity Series Rotisserie. This amazing attachment transforms your Gravity Series grill into a rotisserie. It's perfect for cooking large cuts of meat evenly and deliciously. It comes with 2 different sized spit rods, so you can cook a wide variety of foods. Easily handle up to 20 pounds of your favorite meats and poultry. These handy claws make it easy to lift and place your food onto the spit. No more struggling with heavy roasts. The powerful electric motor ensures even and consistent rotation. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. It's designed to fit perfectly with the Gravity Series 560, 800, and 1050 models. Enjoy perfectly roasted meals every time. Simply hand wash all the parts for easy cleanup. Enjoy delicious rotisserie meals without the hassle. What we like. It seamlessly integrates with Masterbuilt Gravity Series grills. The two interchangeable spit rods allow for versatile cooking, accommodating various food sizes. The included meat claws provide extra support and secure your food during the cooking process. If you own a Masterbuilt Gravity Series grill and value versatility, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The build quality is outstanding, with sturdy construction that ensures durability and longevity. The kit comes with a stainless steel spit rod, 2 adjustable meat forks, and a powerful electric motor. One of the standout features is its effortless operation. The electric motor smoothly rotates the spit rod, ensuring an even and consistent cooking experience. This rotisserie kit is a true game changer when it comes to grilling versatility. Whether I'm roasting a whole chicken, a succulent leg of lamb, or even a mouth-watering pineapple for a tropical dessert, the Masterbuilt MB200912220 delivers exceptional results. Number 2. Weber Rotisserie Kit. It's time to explore exciting new menu items right in your backyard. This kit will transform your grilling experience and allow you to cook a wide variety of foods. Prepare to amaze your friends and family. It's perfect for cooking everything from lamb and prime rib to chicken shawarma and even pineapple. It's built to handle both large and small cuts of meat. You can confidently cook even the most substantial roasts. This powerful electric motor makes cooking a breeze. It effortlessly rotates even a whole chicken or a large roast. Everything you need is included: a stainless steel spit rod, forks, all the necessary hardware, and a heavy-duty motor. It's ready to use right out of the box. It fits a wide range of Weber grills, including Spirit 200-300 series, Spirit 200-300 series, Spirit 500-700, and Genesis Silver, Gold, Platinum, and 1000 to 5500 models. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Please note that it does not fit Genesis 2, Genesis 2 LX series, 2022 Genesis 300 series, and other non-Weber grills. Always double-check compatibility with your specific grill model. What we like. Built for durability, it's designed to handle large cuts of meat with ease. The electric motor provides consistent and reliable rotation. It's specifically designed for select Weber grill models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you own a compatible Weber grill and want a robust rotisserie for large roasts, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Solid rotisserie made by Weber. It fits like a glove. Bought this to go with a new Weber Spirit 2 grill. It does work like it should and produced a very nice pork roast. Received the item on time and in good condition. It seems to be sturdy and of good quality. It works really well and I would recommend it. Number 1. Dreyoo Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. It comes with everything you need: motor, skewers, forks, and mounting hardware. It's ready to turn your grill into a rotisserie. The 4W motor rotates food evenly and safely. Its waterproof switch adds an extra layer of safety. Made with food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last and ensures healthy cooking. It's also UL certified for your peace of mind. The adjustable design fits most grills, and the split rods are easy to store. It can handle up to 20 pounds of food. Simply attach it to your grill and start cooking. Just make sure your grill has the appropriate mounting holes. What we like. Its universal design makes it compatible with a wide range of grills. The UL certification guarantees safety and reliability, and the comprehensive kit includes everything you need for effortless setup. If you prioritize safety and convenience and need a versatile rotisserie for various grill types, this is an excellent option. What people say. I don't know the actual weight capacity of it, but I have put a large ham on it. I have but a tri-tip with 2 New York strips so it can support some weight. Works good and easily to use, good value. Excellent. No es tan resistant pero para unos 10 kilos es más que suficient, si lo recomiendo. Lo use para asar carne al pastor, sin embargo las posibilidades son infinitas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.